Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Personal Growth and Reflection. Introduction. Personal growth and reflection are essential aspects of our journey towards self-improvement and fulfillment. They involve introspection, learning from experiences, and continuously striving to become the best version of ourselves. In this crash course, we will explore the importance of personal growth and reflection, share interesting stories and examples, discuss the top 12 techniques for personal growth and reflection, and conclude with a poem and a song that capture the essence of this topic. Section 1, Understanding Personal Growth and Reflection. Personal growth refers to the intentional and continuous development of our skills, knowledge, and character. It involves expanding our horizons, challenging ourselves, and embracing new opportunities for learning and self-improvement. Reflection, on the other hand, is the process of introspection and examination of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences to gain insights and make meaningful changes in our lives. Together, personal growth and reflection form a powerful combination that enables us to evolve and lead more fulfilling lives. Interesting story, the journey of Sarah's self-discovery. Sarah, a young professional, found herself feeling unfulfilled despite her achievements. She decided to embark on a journey of personal growth and reflection to uncover her true passions and purpose. Through self-reflection, she identified her core values, explored various interests, and took steps towards aligning her life with her authentic self. Along the way, Sarah discovered her passion for environmental conservation and made a career transition that brought her immense joy and fulfillment. Sarah's story demonstrates the transformative power of personal growth and reflection. Section 2, Techniques for Personal Growth and Reflection. 1. Set goals and create a vision. Define your long-term aspirations and set specific, achievable goals to work towards. Having a clear vision provides direction and motivation for personal growth. 2. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities for growth and believes in the potential for continuous learning and improvement. 3. Practice self-reflection. Set aside dedicated time for introspection. Reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and experiences to gain self-awareness and insight into your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. 4. Seek feedback. Request feedback from trusted mentors, peers, or colleagues. Listen openly to their perspectives and use their input as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. 5. Engage in continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning by pursuing courses, workshops, or reading materials that expand your knowledge and skills in areas of interest or professional development. 6. Step outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself by taking on new experiences or trying activities that push you beyond your comfort zone. Growth often happens when we embrace the unfamiliar and face our fears. 7. Cultivate resilience. Develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adversity. View challenges as learning opportunities and focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on failures. 8. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Prioritize activities such as exercise, adequate rest, healthy eating, and engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. 9. Journaling. Maintain a journal to record your thoughts, reflections, and insights. Writing can help clarify your feelings, track your progress, and gain valuable self-awareness. 10. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out relationships and environments that support your personal growth. Surrounding yourself with positive and like-minded individuals can inspire and motivate you. 11. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities. Instead of shying away from difficulties, embrace them as opportunities for growth and personal development. Learn from setbacks and use them as stepping stones towards success. 12. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by expressing appreciation for the blessings in your life. Gratitude promotes positivity, enhances overall well-being, and fosters personal. Section 3, Summarize and Reflect. In this crash course on personal growth and reflection, we explored the importance of continuously evolving and introspecting to become the best version of ourselves. We shared the story of Sarah, who embarked on a journey of self-discovery and found her true passion through personal growth and reflection. Additionally, we discuss 12 techniques that can help individuals cultivate personal growth and reflection, such as setting goals, embracing a growth mindset, practicing self-reflection, seeking feedback, and practicing self-care. Personal growth and reflection are transformative processes that require commitment, self-awareness, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones. They allow us to gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, uncover our passions and purpose, and make positive changes in various areas of our lives. By adopting these techniques and embracing personal growth and reflection as lifelong endeavors, we can lead more meaningful, fulfilling, and purpose-driven lives. Conclusion: personal growth and reflection are the keys to unlocking our full potential and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. By setting goals, embracing a growth mindset, practicing self-reflection, and engaging in continuous learning, we can create a path of self-discovery and growth. It is through self-awareness, resilience, and embracing challenges that we can truly transform ourselves and reach new heights. Remember, personal growth and reflection are personal journeys that require time, patience, and dedication. Each individual's path will be unique, and it is important to honor and respect our own pace. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and learn from setbacks along the way. With each step forward, we become closer to the best version of ourselves. Poem. In the depths of self-discovery, I embark. A journey of growth, an illuminated spark. Reflection unveils the truths hidden inside. A path of transformation, where I reside. Setting goals, a compass for my way. A vision of the future, where dreams sway. A growth mindset, with possibilities untold. I embrace challenges, a spirit bold. Self-reflection, a mirror to the soul. Unveiling strengths and making me whole. Feedback, a gift from those who care. Guiding me forward, through trials I dare. Continuous learning, a flame that ignites. Expanding horizons, unveiling new sights. Stepping beyond comfort, I take the leap. Embracing the unknown, my fears I defeat. Self-care, a sanctuary for my weary heart. Nurturing my being, a healing art. Gratitude, a melody of joy and grace. Filling my days, with a warm embrace. In this journey of personal growth and reflection, I find my purpose, a profound connection. With every step, I become anew. A beacon of light, shining through. Song. Verse 1. In the depths of my soul, I yearn to grow. A journey of reflection, to truly know. The path of personal growth I tread. Uncovering the layers, a spirit fed. Chorus. Oh, personal growth, my compass true. Leading me to a life that feels brand new. Reflections mirror, guiding my way. Transforming my being, day by day. Verse 2. Goals set high, a vision in sight. A growth mindset, embracing the light. With each challenge, I find my strength. A testament to my journey's length. Chorus. Oh, personal growth, my compass true. Leading me to a life that feels brand new. Reflections mirror, guiding my way. Transforming my being, day by day. Bridge. Through self-reflection, I see my truth. Learning from setbacks, in my youth. Surrounded by love, support, and care. A community that lifts me, always there. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.